Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Nissan Rogue Star Wars Limited Edition. Under the hood we have a 2.5-liter i4 engine and a 1-speed VVT transmission. It is black, looks awesome. You got that Nissan badging up front here with your projector style lights and your fog lights down there. And coming around the side, we do have our Hankook brand tires with our 20-inch rims. They look very nice, and you do get that Rogue One Star Wars Limited Edition badging right there with your lights hanging out right there. Okay, back here we got that Nissan badging, the Rogue, the SV all-wheel drive, and we got a Star Wars badge there as well. We can open it up just right here like this. Tons of room back here, looks very nice and spacious. You can lift this guy up and you do have some extra storage underneath there. As well, you do have that guy to keep it nice and covered, just in case you wanted to keep things nice and safe. Okay, we got our keys here, so we do have our 2 presses to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock, remote start up there, and we do also have our panic button right there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside here. On the door here, you do have your handle, the control of your mirrors, electric windows and locks there. You also have some storage just down here, and it looks awesome in here as well. Very spacious and very comfortable as well. You do have the controls over the seats here, so backward and forward, tilt, lumbar support, some Star Wars badging, and the floor mats are Star Wars as well. Then you do have your in-cabin light control here, your traction control, your all-wheel lock, sport mode, and eco mode. And then up here we got the controls over the lights, so the auto off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as your fog lights and your turning signals. Let's start her up here. Foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up. Now in the center we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right in the center it does also tell us our average speed. We have our trip, we have our fuel economy, our radio, we have our tire pressures, our 4x4, we have our chassis control warnings, and then your settings there. Now that is controlled from right here with your volume up and down, and then your skip buttons there. Horn in the center, and your cruise control options and Bluetooth options right there. We have our controls over our windshield wipers right here, and then over here we do have all sorts of different options. So we do have our CD player up here with our scan, and then we have our FM, our Sirius XM, media, and display. You got the volume up and down with the presets down here, your Seek, iPod, and your back. Then you got your tune and browser there, and when we are in reverse we have the ever useful backup camera, keeping us nice and safe. Then down here we do have our climate control, so the power up and down with the AC, our mode, we have our temperature control, we have our defrost as well as our circulation, and then down here you do have an aux cord and USB plug-in, gear shift here, and then right here we do have our cup holders and our heated seats. And then in the center you have your armrest, doubles as a storage container. There is a control right here to change the lights that sit by your feet and the color. And then you also can open this guy up and you got lots of room in there. Up top you do have the control over your lights, your sunroof, and then you do also have your sunglass holder. And it is a moonroof. It looks awesome, the dual panes, lots and lots of room. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you have your handle, you have the control of your windows, a handle here, and some storage. It looks awesome back here as well. Same material as the front, very comfortable. You can fold these seats forward just like this. Then you got even more room, and you can fold that guy down in the middle there to give you your cup holders and armrest, just right there like that, and it looks awesome. And there's our 2.5-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around for the 2017 Nissan Rogue Star Wars Edition. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.